Well, in this question, we have to get a and b values. It is given that a and b are positive constants, and they have given us an equation which is of the form of surds. So first thing we should do is we should just open these brackets. So for that, I'll be using a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And if I do that, it will be 4 minus 2 times root a plus root a square, that will be a, and on the other side it is 3b minus 16 root 2. Now on further simplification, it will give me 4 minus 4 root a plus a is equal to 3b minus 16 root 2. On comparing, I can say that 4 plus a, which are like the constant terms which is not there in the square root, 4 plus a will be equal to 3b. That will give me one equation, and the other equation we can obtain by comparing the surd term. So on comparing the surds term, I will get minus 4 root a is equal to minus 16 root 2. Now this equation will give me the value of a on further calculation. Minus 4 can be cancelled, it will be only 4. So I'll be left with root a is equal to 4 root 2. Squaring both the side will give me 16 times 2, that is 32. So the value of a is 32. That a value I can put over here, and 4 plus 32 is equal to 3b. That will give me b is equal to 36 over 3, and finally answer will be 12. So the value of a is 32, b is 12. Primarily in this question we compared this with this. You can see the highlighted colors, negative 4a with this. You can see the equations at the bottom. After writing the equations on solving simultaneously, we got both a and b value.